In this video, we are going to talk about 10 ways to make money online. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. From online poker to selling your collection of Beanie Babies, there are dozens of popular get-rich-quick, money-making schemes that always spring up. Do they work? Not really. Will you make money doing it? Maybe. But you'd probably make more money from your 9-to-5 work. At least then it's a guaranteed income. The truth is there are legitimate ways to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day. From freelance digital nomads to clever marketers to budding entrepreneurs, there are lots of business ideas you may explore at home utilizing your laptop and a reliable internet connection. So, let's break down how to generate money online. The genuine way. Number 10. Start dropshipping. Take one of the most well-known internet money-making methods, affiliate marketing. According to Google Trends, dropshipping is becoming a more popular technique to earn money online. Dropshipping is clearly a genuine way to earn money online. Consider how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling one product. Dropshipping is a business concept where you sell a product to a consumer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product on your behalf. With Oberlo Dropshipping, you have access to millions of products to start an online business from scratch. With Oberlo's toolbox, you can also choose your product images, update item descriptions, and personalize your brand, resulting in happy customers. What is the best way to make money online with dropshipping? Most businesses rely on advertising on Facebook, having influencers support their products, and sending direct messages, DM, to potential customers. Number 9. Try print on demand. Print on demand is also gaining popularity. Graphic designers who want to sell their designs on apparel and other items are increasingly using the business model. They can build a strong brand for their company using their own design work. Like dropshipping, print on demand eliminates the need to maintain inventory or ship products to customers. But there are two minor differences. A brandable label on packaging is a great start. As for the second, transportation costs are high, making it impossible to compete without charging higher rates or selling in larger quantities. However, excellent suppliers in the US, Canada, and Europe, like Printify or Printful, can help you get started quickly and realize your dream of starting your own clothing line. How can you make the most money from your print-on-demand business? Free marketing channels. Your best bet is to promote your products for free on Instagram, Pinterest, and with Instagram influencers who convert well. Number 8. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online. The popularity of this approach of generating money online has fluctuated over time. Affiliate marketing is great because you can work for practically any brand, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun, and earn sales commissions. Profit by advertising other people's products or services via affiliate marketing. Marketing retail products, software, applications, and other relevant products and services online can earn you a commission. To maximize your earnings, consider being an associate for many brands and including multiple affiliate links in a single blog piece. If you want to make money online through affiliate marketing, you should focus on content marketing. Creating a blog with several pages of high-quality content effectively creates an asset you can call your own. It's great that if one affiliate program goes out of business, you can simply switch your affiliate link to a competitor without affecting your side hustle income. Number 7. Start a YouTube channel. If others can, so can you. Ryan, a 7-year-old YouTuber who evaluates things, made $22 million in 2018. Another high earner is Jeffree Star, who has made over $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetic brand worth about $100 million. His YouTube and MySpace fame allowed him to earn money online in addition to his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should target a certain niche to build a loyal following. So you might make a film on cosmetics or a video about video games. You could also make parody videos. Making money on YouTube is all about creating content that people want to watch. Use a catchy headline or keywords optimized for YouTube search to entice viewers. Once you have 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning money from YouTube ads. Number 6. Become an influencer. You can also generate money online by developing a personal brand. Cristiano Ronaldo was the highest paid influencer in 2019, earning $975,000 for each sponsored Instagram post. While reality stars, musicians, and sportsmen may appear to be the most powerful influencers, keep in mind that even smaller-scale influencers can now earn more money than they could a few years ago. You'll need a healthy following to become an influencer. YouTube and Instagram are the simplest platforms to use. On these sites, some of the most powerful non-celebrity influencers often got their first taste of fame. If you want to grow your Instagram audience, you might want to look into ways to gain more Instagram followers. You can earn money as an influencer by charging for sponsored articles, speaking engagements, adding affiliate links to your bio, selling your images, selling advertisements on your own podcast, getting paid as a brand ambassador, writing a book, appearing at events, and more. Number 5. Create an online course. Sharing your knowledge is a great method to get money online. If you are an expert in a field, you can create online courses to earn money. It's also possible to sell your course on Udemy or your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn $5,000 each month from online courses. The site where you sell your course will decide your earnings. If you sell your course on Udemy, you don't need to promote it. It's nearly set and forget. You might promote it on blogs or your own website. If you host the course on your own website, you may want to advertise it. Create an email list to promote future courses to the same folks. Number 4. Start a blog. Blogging is an old way to make money online. Those who enjoy writing tend to create niche blogs. So, a blog about procrastination can build a loyal following while also covering a lot of ground. From Shopify, remove the checkout feature, to WordPress, you can start a blog. Start your blog with a tight focus on specific keywords and expand into other but related categories as you grow and dominate new spaces. A massive blog can be built this way. Remember that design is vital in making a good first impression. Here are 20 blog design ideas to get you started. How to make money blogging. You can include affiliate links, with a disclaimer. Using AdSense to monetize your website is simple. Sponsored posts are a popular way for review bloggers to earn money from brands. They can sell digital or tangible products on their websites. Hint, you can add overload products to your website. You can also use it to gain authority and get speaking engagements, TV deals, or big client contracts. Number 3. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your 9-to-5 job and do it online. Writers, administrative assistants, graphic designers, teachers, developers, and others can market their skills online and find clients willing to pay for them. To earn money online as a freelancer, you must first build a solid portfolio. To start, do some free work with established mid-tier brands. With a strong portfolio, you can start approaching big clients to make more money online. Because freelancing is a numbers game, the more personalized your emails and applications, the better. Number 2. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making notion. Fortunately, there is a way to get an app developed without having to know how to code. Marketers are increasingly turning to freelance marketplaces to locate low-cost developers to construct apps for them. Adding your software to Google Play and the App Store will be your best option for making money with it. And, contrary to popular belief, a free app can help you make more money than a commercial one. You may make money by adding adverts or premium features to a free app. Because the free software will attract a larger number of users, upselling them will be easy. Number 1. Become a writer. As content marketing grows in popularity, more brands are looking for exceptional writers. A writer's key is to be an expert in a niche. Many authors aim to be generalists, writing about everything from food to technology. Writing excellent content requires a particular focus. Experience in a niche can provide a unique viewpoint to a piece of material. So, you're not just repeating what everyone else says online. Brands want to pay for your insights, experiences, and insider knowledge. Send marketing writing samples if someone asks for them. Send no finance articles. Or a workout. A hiring manager can't tell how well you know the particular business until they see relevant writing samples. Apply for jobs that match your qualifications. Also, without a list of links to writing samples, your pitch will be overlooked. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.